Did you know the Sahara Desert, one of the driest places on the earth, can get flooded? When we think of the Sahara, we picture endless sand and extreme heat, right? But believe or not, this desert occasionally experiences flood. This happens because warm moist air from tropical areas sometimes moves north and causes rain in the desert. The dry ground cannot absorb the water fast enough, so it causes flash floods. These floods can actually create temporary lakes, help plants and also animals survive. But too much water also can hurt the desert. Surprising, right? If you didn't know deserts could flood, hit the follow button and for more cool facts.